Welcome to our updated guide on how to hide your high school information on Facebook. In today's digital age, privacy is more important than ever, and you might want to keep certain details of your life, like your educational background, private. Let's dive into the simple steps to hide your high school on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Tap it to proceed. Next, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Look for the option that says Your Profile and give it a tap. This will take you to your personal Facebook page. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of editing your profile. Look for the Edit Profile button and tap it. This will allow you to make changes to various aspects of your profile information. Scroll down until you reach the Details section. Here, you'll find an Edit option. Go ahead and tap that. This will open up more specific areas of your profile that you can modify. Under the Education heading, you should see your high school listed. Look for the little pencil icon next to it. That's your Edit button. Give it a tap to access the privacy settings for this particular piece of information. Now you'll see a Privacy button. Tap on it to reveal your options for who can see your high school information. You'll want to select Only Me from the list of choices. This ensures that you're the only one who can view this information on your profile. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and tap it to confirm your new privacy settings. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden your high school information on Facebook. Remember, you can always change these settings back if you decide to make this information public again in the future. Stay safe and enjoy your enhanced privacy on social media.